If your Mercedes W204 won't crank and nothing happens when you turn the key, don't rush to replace the starter. One common cause is the electronic steering lock, ESL. The ESL is responsible for locking and unlocking your steering wheel when the key is inserted and authorized. When it fails, the car will not crank, even if the battery and starter are good. These are some symptoms. No crank. Steering wheel locked. No clicking sound from steering column. Ignition error message or remove key message. Diagnosis. First, check battery voltage. Low voltage can prevent ESL activation. Next, insert the key and listen carefully. You should hear a click from the steering column. No sound. Possible ESL failure. Use a diagnostic scanner to confirm communication between EIS and ESL. If ESL does not respond, it may need repair or replacement. Important warning. Never replace the starter motor until you confirm ESL operation. In Mercedes diagnosis, one small module can stop the entire car. Always diagnose before replacing. Subscribe and follow us for more.